Here I have a Vignette UltraGlide tiered product, and I'm going to replace the pull cord assembly, or PCA, located up here in the headrail. And the first step in doing that is to remove the headrail, which I can simply do with a flat blade screwdriver and a little mallet action. And if this was a Duet UltraGlide, I could immediately start to remove the headrail. But Vignette has an additional part called a shift guard, which is right here, and it kind of straddles my brake arm of the pull cord assembly. So in order to remove the pull cord assembly, I'm going to need to at least partially remove this shift guard. And I say partially because it comes and actually extends over to here. I can feel it, and then the fabric is taped on it. Well, I don't want to go and peel off the fabric and remove it totally. I can just partially remove it. If I look at it, it's stuck into a channel right here, and if I come in with a millwright scribe or something else that's small, I can kind of get underneath it and start to peel it back a little bit. Let me zoom out here a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here as I do this. Then there's a metal slat that the pull cord assembly is attached to, and I'll show you that in a second. So now I can start, after I pull this down a little bit, the shift guard down, and start to remove it. Now I'm starting to hit up on the shift guard, so I'm going to pull down on that as I pull on that metal slat to get the PCA out. There we go. And I'm going to just take this and basically bring it out far enough that I can actually access it. I don't want to take the headrail all the way off because my spools could come undone, or my drive shaft could come out of the spools, and I could get an extra wind on one of those spools, and I wouldn't be able to level the shade unless I bottom timed it. Now when I remove this, I'm going to hold on to the drive shaft so it doesn't come out of that spool, and it has a locator pin down here, this black piece here. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. That goes into a hole in the metal slat. So once I've taken my new pull cord assembly, I'm going to need to look at the shaft orientation. You can see that there's a notch here, and that's going to have to line up with the notch on the shaft. So I'm going to take a look at the position on my shaft and get those guys lined up, and then I can go ahead and slide that on, make sure I get my locator pin into the hole. There we go. And now I can start to reassemble my shade. I'm going to have to wiggle it around a little bit when I get to the PCA coming in. Then when I get to this position, I'm going to double check to make sure that my lift cord is riding in the slot at the back of the shifter arm. That's the way it's going to work properly. Going to get it into position here, pull my shift guard away a little bit, slide it into position. So now it's in the position, it's settled. Go ahead and snap this shift guard back on. Take my end cap, place that on, give it a couple of whacks, and I've just replaced the pull cord assembly on a Vignette UltraGlide tiered shade.